Hello, Victor. This is Frank Jessup. I'm going to try to show you what you can do to fix your BT11 battery powered. Well, I don't have one built, so I'm just going to show you what needs to be done with the parts I've got. The first trick is to get this knob off. And the slickest way to do it is to use a screwdriver or a knife to pry it off, get under it. Here, a chisel works real good if you've got one. Chisel, knife, whatever, and get under this knob and carefully pry it up off the end of this shaft. Anyway, once the knob's out of the way, that lets you unscrew this, which holds everything. There's a nut on the top here. Unscrew it. That then lets this lift up out of the way enough to get into this, which is the amplitude adjustment and the on-off switch. Now, your red wire is broken loose. Get that to hold still. Where is it? There we go. Okay. It'll be oriented in the box like this. Like that. Okay, now, something to point with. Here we go. This wire goes into the electronics. Don't worry about these down below. Don't mess with them. Your broken wire goes right here. And you'll probably see that there's solder blob on it and some fray wires, but that's where the red wire goes. Now, here's your battery clip. And there's the red wire. The red wire goes on right there. All right, now here's how we're going to do it. Yours, of course, is anchored in the box. Well, I don't have one built, so I've got to hold on to this to hold it steady. So let's just mount it up in a vise with one hand while holding a camera with the other. That's always fun. Okay, now, there we go. Now, the red wire, where's the red wire? There it is. Okay, we got to strip some of the insulation off the end of it. I need a tripod. Good heavens. Here. Hold still. No, that ain't going to work. There we go. Okay. All right, there's the red wire. Any kind of a knife. Let's see if I can get this to show. There we go. There we go. Let's cut some of that insulation out of the way. Nail clippers, pocket knife, whatever you can get your hands on. And get some of this insulation. There you go. Expose the wire. There we go. See, we got bare wire there. Now all you have to do is wrap that bare wire around this terminal on this switch. Come on, focus. Okay, it goes right there. All right, now I don't have enough hands to hold the camera and wrap the wire, so I'm going to wrap the wire and show you the result. So hang on. Here, we'll set the camera over here. Set it over here somewhere. Okay, let's get the wire wrapped around there. And let's see here. Pair of tweezers, needle nose pliers, whatever you got at hand. Wrap that puppy around that post like this. Here, I can show you the progress. Ooh, come on now. Come on, focus. Okay, there you can see that it started to be wrapped around there. Come on, focus. And finish the job. These aren't any good. What else have I got? Should be a pair of tweezers here somewhere. There we go. There we go. Here's some tweezers. Okay. Wrap it around. 2 or 3 times if you can. Get it on there good and tight. There we go. And if you've got some pliers, give it a good mashing. There you go. And if you happen to have a hot glue gun, one of these things, hot glue gun, you could help secure this wire to take the strain off of it with some hot glue, like that. Don't get it on the electrical terminal because it will probably insulate it, and that'd be bad. You'd lose contact. But by putting the hot glue on the wire and the switch, it'll help hold it in place and secure it. But just the mechanical wrapping of the wire around the post should be sufficient. And then, obviously, once you've done that, put this little puppy back in, because it's been laid to the side to let you in there. Put this back in, flip it over, put the washer and nut back on it, put the knob back on. Now, the trick will be to remember, well, you can't do that. Okay, here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to turn it on, get it working, and turn the switch till it's, let's say, running at the very slowest, at the 0.5. It flashes on, flashes off, flashes on. So you know that it's on 0.5. Then put the knob on so it lines up with 0.5. So that the knob agrees with the function. And there you go. That ought to do it, Victor. All right, I'm going to get this up on Facebook, or on YouTube, and send you the link. And if you have any questions or something drives you crazy, send me a message. You can contact me directly without having to put up with Etsy or eBay's censorship at this address. R. Vance, IMVU at yahoo.com. And we'll see if that shows. rvanceimvu at yahoo.com. There you go. Okay, let me get this on YouTube and I'll send you the link. And I hope this works out well.